Abashomire busibo secondary school omuri Kashozi division Sheema municipality nibagira ngo abeegi bingi bashikira amashomero bajarama bwayebwe nako yibazire babo barukurabamu okubashomesa nako kubashaba kurwanira eihari abazaire babo
kurwanira batata banyu eihari. This poor woman is selling her beans, is selling her only one goat to make sure they raise your school fees. And then you come here, you begin urinating.
They used to tell us that you come alone and you leave alone. But when you reach here, you make groups. And some of those groups, some have bad influences.
Aborekero kweyarakirira okushanga abana babishya bato batandikire kuza ahakubarira oruzaro ninga family planning.
Basiri kwa kliniki kugura hasa emergency pills. Really? Do you know the consequences? Do you know what you're causing to your body? I think it's a family one of plannings are there. Maybe we don't want to add on because we are trying to run away from the bills. Which bill are you running away from?
We have different co-curricular activities. If you are not involved in any of the groups that are doing something, your mind has a lot of time to think evil.
Abarkwebembera busibo secondary school basemere abashomera hishomereri okugaruka kureba hibarabiri.
Remains if these people can do it, can make it, what's wrong with you? Why can't you make it? Want to assure you that you can still make it. It is not late. That's why, among other reasons, I've invited these people to talk to you.
Pinabantu abari mu offices zechitinisa positions zamani konka nobar old students turukubamanya no bana barukuheza busubo bagenda no kubamanya tubine ko kushikira
gashaka Mike twakiriye.